let's have a little bit of tea.
All right, there we go.
Lorraine, I'm getting very excited about our English garden tour this year to the Cotswolds.
I've always wanted to go to the Cotswolds. Our trips are so great because we take people not just to the big famous gardens, but we go to people's homes and we have tea and scones and
That's true.
meet the gardeners.
It's a small group usually, under 30 people, and everybody gets to know one another because we stay in one hotel usually, and it's usually quite a historic building.
Like manor houses or hotels with a lot of character.
We stayed in one year with the pub. That was from the 1200s, I believe. One of the rooms was original to 1200s. It was wonderful.
And we did drink some good gin there.
They have a great bar. We get to know the staff.
Yeah.
And breakfast and dinner are always wonderful.
We have a great group of people that we travel with, and they come, I mean, they'll sign up almost before they've left. So I really think that we've gotten a knack of doing a great job, thanks to your horticultural experience and being able to pick great gardens.
And your travel experience. Together we're a genius.
Yeah, and we're now. I really love it.
And one of the things I like is seeing some of the great public gardens of England, the Royal Horticultural Gardens that are RHS gardens. But in addition, we see manor house gardens. We've been to Highgrove in the past, Prince Charles's Garden. Hopefully we'll get on the list this year. We'll see about that. And we see small backyard gardens. So we always learn from the gardeners, and whether it's a small garden or a large garden, you can always pick something up.
And you don't have to be a gardener to like our tours because we have a good mix of people. And so you learn, even though you might not be into gardening, you learn so much. I mean, I've learned so much from you at these gardens as you point out different flowers and plants.
Well, that's one of the major things. And you can bring them back and adapt them to your garden needs.
Yeah, definitely.
And it's not just gardens we learn about. Ooh, what's a cream tea?
That's right.
It doesn't have a lot to do with cream in your tea.
No, and we like to add in all that British culture.
We do. What is pudding? What is pudding?
Dessert, my favorite meal of the day.
So we go beyond gardening with our trips.
Definitely.
And our groups get to know one another. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, we do. And I'm just so much enjoyed all of the people that we've been traveling with. And I hope that the group continues to grow because we'd love to redo some of our trips even that we've loved, like Yorkshire. That was a great trip.
Yorkshire's wonderful countryside. Hopefully Wales next year we'll get to go to.
And maybe expand. I've been dying to do the Italian gardens. As you know, I have to get you going on that one.
Italian gardens, yes. Well, there's something for everyone with our garden tours, I think.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to go.
I hope that lots more people join us because it's always so much fun.
Oh, cheers.
Yeah.
Let's have
to gardening.